Hello, everyone. My name is Usman. I am the founder at RepairDesk. Today, we'll be going over some of the modules we have been working on. I'm really excited to showcase store credits, gift card, and loyalty module. This is the first time I'm doing this live session with Zoom, so I'm just trying to figure out if it's still working. Let me quickly see if the feed is working so I can start the demo. Looks like it is working. Okay, so a lot of customers have been asking us if there's a way where they can provide store credits or if someone buy from their website, not website, but if someone buys from the store, they can give them some loyalty dollars. Just wanted to double check if the feed is working. Okay, yep, it's working. So quickly want to go through store credit. So store credit is normally used when you want to issue, rather than issuing a refund, you can give them store credit so they can buy from your store later on. So to use store credits, what you need to do is to click on store credits. If you have multiple stores, you can enable on which store you can set it up. I've just received a message from a business partner that the live feed is working. So thank you there. So once the store credit has been enabled, and there are multiple ways you can use this module. The first way you can use is, let's say if you have a customer profile by the name of Usman, and so you can see store credits over here against Usman. If you want to add store credits manually, you can simply click over here, enter the amount, $50. And once you click save changes, it will add store credits. And not only that, it will send an SMS and email to Spawn that $174 has been added as a store credits. Now, let's say how you can use store credits. Let's say if you're buying a phone from a customer, if it's a trade-in, rather than paying him cash, you can use it as a store credit. So to do that, go to trade-in. And if you are buying a handset from a customer, click on purchase. From here, you can either add a new customer or search for a customer profile. So over here, it shows store credits for this customer. Now, let's say you're buying an iPhone 10 from the Spawn. So you'll simply add iPhone 10, add a random IMEI number, Apple iPhone 10. And then let's say the color is gold. Looks like it got disconnected. Anyways, okay. So you can accept customer signatures. And once you do that, when you click on it looks like I have a scratchy internet connection at home. So you can issue, rather than giving him cash, you can issue store credits. Let me see. Okay, so I'm back. Next time I'll be doing it from my office. So rather than giving them cash, you can issue them store credits. So once you click confirm, the transaction will be completed. Which will add additional store credits to him. Again, he will receive an email, an SMS that store credits has been added to his profile. Another use case I can think of is, let's say you are refunding a transaction. So again, rather than giving him cash, you can offer them store credits, which they can use on future purchases in your store. So to do that, click on view invoices, and then from here you can search for an invoice which was created earlier. So let's say I have this invoice which I want to refund. So I can click on checkout, enter the PIN number, and over here I can add store credits. While adding store credits, make sure that you add it with a negative sign. And once that is done, a customer will receive an email and SMS that he has received store credits. Now, I can go to purchase history or customer profile to see how many store credits has been issued. We are working on redoing the design. And then against each customer profile, I can also see a log of store credits as well. We also have a report for store credits. So I can see all the store credits issued, and then I can view a list as well. For today, yesterday, this month. So all the information is over here. Okay, so let me see if I have any questions related to store credits from customers before I move on to the next feature. No questions so far. Okay, so let's take a look at gift card module. So to set up gift card, all you have to do, if you're on enterprise version, go to gift cards over here. And click on the green button, which will enable the gift card. Now, in some countries, a gift card, just like Australia, a gift card should expire after 3 years. So you can set up the duration. For testing purpose, I have set up 12 months over here. If you want this gift card to be sold at other location or redeemed at other location, you can set it up according to your business workflow needs. Again, in Australia, you cannot charge tax on gift cards. So same is the case in US. So you have to check your local laws to see if you can charge tax on or VAT on gift cards. So once the gift card has been enabled, you will see a new tab on the point of sale as gift cards. I have or you can also view manage gift cards over here. I'll just go to manage gift cards to showcase how you can add a new gift card. So to add a new gift card, all you have to do is to click on add gift card. So if you have purchased already printed gift cards, you can simply scan over here, or you can use system generated number and add $50 store credit, gift card value, and then click on save changes. So once a gift card has been created, you can print it out on a thermal receipt. We are still finding ways on how to print a gift card. We'll also provide an option so you can print out just this gift card label. So once the gift card has been created, it will showcase on the point of sale. If you are on the point of sale screen and you want to create a gift card on the fly, you can click over here and add a new gift card on the fly as well. So if I want to sell a gift card, I can add it to the basket, click on checkout, and then I can use my store credits or loyalty points to purchase this gift card as well. So let's say if I want to use my store credits towards buying this gift card, I will simply tap over here and click on confirm. Which will allow me to buy this gift card at any time. If a customer comes to your store and you want to see how much is the balance with gift card, you can click over here and scan the gift card, or you can click over on more actions and gift card inquiry to search for gift card. So currently, it's not been redeemed yet. So let's say if I want to buy any item. So let's say if it's $19 track phone activation, and if I want to buy this item, I can use my gift card to buy this item. So to do that, I will also have to select a customer to make sure that we have proper records. So to do that, click on checkout. And over here, I can simply scan the card or key in the information and click on this. Oops. So gift card status is inactive. Definitely strange. So it should be active. So let's try to sell another gift card and see why this is not working. So I'm buying this gift card with $100 cash. Okay. So manage gift cards. Okay. So both gift cards are active now. So I'll go to point of sale. And oops, I'll go to point of sale, try to purchase an item, and it's wrong. Okay, now click on checkout. And once I tap gift card, there you go. So I can use my gift card balance to buy this AD&D activation. All right. So currently we are also working on improving gift card functionality where, let's say if you're buying a gift card, you can also enter recipient name and email address so that they receive an email saying, hey, Usman has purchased a gift card for you and you can visit the store and here's the gift card information. And then they can bring that email along with them and the gift card as well so they can redeem on your store. I'm really excited about this feature because I feel that it will really improve the workflow for store owners. Okay, let's take a look and see if I have received any feedback over here. No, looks good. Okay, so let's take a look at the last feature, which is loyalty. A lot of the store owners wanted to offer loyalty, which will help them to retain customers. So to enable the loyalty module, all you have to do is to click on enable loyalty. And once the loyalty module is enabled, you can set up the spending amount. So let's say if someone spends $100, he'll earn $5. And if someone sign up for your loyalty program, he will earn $5. And another feature which we added based on the feedback received by Andrew from Kicks Up Repairs was you should be able to automatically award loyalty if someone refer a customer. This feature will be really useful if you have a lot of career stores like AT&T and Verizon who send you repairs. Now you can go over there and tell them if they refer a customer to you, you will offer them $10 on each referral. And not only that, they will be able to track the loyalty from the portal as well. You can also enable the option to receive an email whenever someone signs up for a loyalty program. If you want to send an email blast to your customers, you can either send to all of your customer, you can select customer profile to which customer you want to send it to. And if you want to take a look at what kind of email templates are available, you can click over here to check that. So once you have modified all the settings, click on Save Changes. If you want to just offer it on this store, and that's it. Loyalty module has been enabled. And let's say when you ring a customer on POS, so let's say there's a new customer. and I asked the customer, how did he heard about us? And then he says, okay, he heard about through Usman Butt. So I can add his information, and that's pretty much it. So please enter valid email address. Oops. Okay. So by default, loyalty is not enabled. You can ask the customer if they want to sign up for your loyalty program. If they want to, either they can sign up through a loyalty portal, or you can manually enable them as well. If you want to add the sign up bonus, you can add it over here. So this is how you can add loyalty dollars in his account. And let's say whenever he's buying anything, he can use his loyalty points towards the purchase of this item. So let's say he wants to pay $5 to loyalty points, and then remaining as cash. $5 is balance. Okay, so this is how he can spend his money on the loyalty. And if John makes a purchase of $50, he will earn $5 in loyalty. So looks like I have a lot of Johns. Okay, John Denver. So it shows that I have $1 in loyalty. Now, the interesting thing about loyalty is that each customer will also have a loyalty portal. So whenever someone signs up, we are working where he will receive an email with a link so they can access their portal. So each customer will get a portal link like this, where they can view how much loyalty they have earned and how much credits have been issued. And then they can click on view all to see see the history as well. They can also look at tickets and invoices in your store. So this is really useful for if you work with career stores, and if you are trying to find a way where where these career stores can refer customers and track how many customers they have referred you, and you can easily pay them out as well. I hope you find all of these features useful. If you're interested in trying out RepairDesk Enterprise version, please feel free to reach out to me directly, or send us an email at hello@repairdesk.co to register your interest, and we'll be happy to work with you on implementing these features in your RepairDesk account. And these are just the 3 features we are releasing right now, and upcoming features in enterprise version are inventory bundles, suggested sale alert for your staff, recurring invoices, and a lot more cool features for franchise stores. So let me see if anyone has any feedback before. Okay, so looks like there are no questions. Okay, so come on, guys, ask question. Now is the time for you to ask questions. No questions. Okay, so I know Monday is the one of the busiest days, so I'll leave you guys to your routine. I look forward to hearing from you, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions regarding RepairDesk Store Enterprise version. Thank you so much, and have a super day.